maximizing efficiency with your FS12 Wearable Breast Pump. Getting started with your FS12 Breast Pump. Battery indicator. More than 100 minutes of use left with 3 bars. More than 70 minutes remaining with 2 bars. Over 30 minutes remaining with 1 bar. Less than 10 minutes remaining with 1 bar. Flashing. Step-by-step assembly. Your FS12 Breast Pump. 1. Fit the silicone diaphragm into the flange until it clicks or feels secure to ensure the pump works effectively. 2. Attach the valve to the flange, referring to a video guide for correct placement. 3. Connect the flange with the attached parts to the container, ensuring a leak-proof fit. 4. Place the silicone breast shield onto the flange, aligning the grooves and pressing down the edges for a good seal and comfortable use. 5. Ensure the breast shield magnet fully covers the main unit's magnet area. Mastering your pump using the FS12 motor unit's modes and levels. The on-off button on the pump motor unit powers the device on with a short press and turns it off with another short press. Experience seamless pumping with the FS12 Wearable Breast Pump, offering massage and expression modes, each enhanced by 9 levels for your personalized comfort. FS12 Breast Pump, featuring options for 12-level intensity adjustment and automatic mode. Simplified safety features, a comprehensive overview. Preservation feature, automatically remembers your settings for easy use, restarting the pump with your last choices. Auto off feature, the FS12 Wearable Breast Pump ensures safety with an automatic shutdown feature after 30 minutes of breast pumping, combining convenience with comfort. For any inquiries or support with your FS12 breast pump, please contact TPH Technology. We are committed to your satisfaction and the superior performance of our product. Thank you.